Hey everyone, Carol Hickman with Chickstamper here. I wanted to come on today and show you this adorable little treat holder that I'm sending out to everybody as a thank you gift who placed orders last week. So it's actually made from one of our envelopes. And when I untie it and open it up, it is an adorable gift card holder. Or so you could tuck a little treat or some cash in there certainly as well. So on the front it says, "So lucky to know you," and inside, "Thank you for your kindness." I wanted to show you how to make it because this is a great way to send a gift card or if you wanted to tuck in some cash to a loved one. Let me show you how I did that, okay? First of all, let me show you this this treat holder goes with the products from last Friday's Facebook Live. So we made these two cards in our mini class. And again, those packets that I send out today are card kits that hold everything that the recipients will need to make these two cards. And then plus I've made up these gift card holders for them as a thank you. These cards use the oval occasion stamp set and the brand new Butterfly Brilliance stamp set, which will be in our upcoming annual catalog that begins in May. The oval occasions, we're not so sure. Actually, on Wednesday, March 24th, the last chance list will come out showing us what items are retiring. So this oval occasions is from the mini catalog. So it's slated to be here through June of this year, and we don't know if it will be returning or not yet. But we'll find that out soon. So I also, on these cards, and then again on this little gift card holder, use these adorable Brilliant Wings dies. So they have the full set or the full piece that cuts out from the designer paper, which is actually sold out. So that one's no longer available. But these dies are available for the whole next year through our next annual catalog. And then there's individual dies as well. Alrighty. Let me show you how I made this. I wanted to use the really pretty flowers for every season designer paper, so that's the designer paper that I've used here. But let me show you how I made the whole thing. Get my scoreboard. And again, we're starting with an actual, just one of our medium envelopes. And I'm using basic white for this one. And I want to score it right in half, so it's 5 3/4. So I'm going to go here to 2 7/8 so that I can score it right in half. And you could just fold it if you wanted. That would work too. You would just want to fold it right in half. All right, so let's get this burnished with my bone folder here right on the halfway point here. And I'm gonna take some scissors, I'm gonna trim off this portion of the seal. So I'm just gonna trim it right in half. And I've already got a little line there from when I scored it, and then cut along this line too. This is gonna make the opening for my gift card or cash. And then this side I'm just going to seal. So I just have a little sponge with some water on it. We'll seal that right down. Okay, so you can see it's taking shape, right? I wanted to use a few stamps. On the inside is my stamp that says, "Thank you for your kindness." And again, this is from the Oval Occasion stamp set. Okay, so I'm gonna set that off to the side. Now for these cute top pieces, I've got this beautiful flowers for every season designer paper, and it is 2.5 by 4, and I'm gonna attach it to a piece of Just Jade, which is 2 5/8 by 4 1/8. And I've just got really small little edges here, but I just wanted the color to kind of peek out. And now this piece we're going to put on a piece of Misty Moonlight, which is 2 3/4 by 4 1/2. You could certainly decorate your envelope any way you like. I just thought this is such a pretty way to do it. Might be a good year to make a Mother's Day one. You could use the same pretty paper for that and send mom a cute little coupon or gift card. All right, so this piece, this is so quick, you guys, look. This piece is just gonna go on our envelope, but first I wanna add some of this fun ribbon. So I've got the Misty Moonlight. It's one of our in colors, 2020 to 2022 in colors. So pretty ribbon, the 1/4 inch. And I've got an 18-inch piece for that, okay? So I'm just gonna eyeball it, but I'm gonna take my adhesive and I'm just gonna make a little run right down here for the ribbon to attach to. So let me just fold my ribbon in half here. Don't have to be precise here because we can trim the edges a little bit if it's not even. There we go. And then let's get some adhesive on this piece and we'll put it right on top of that ribbon and adhere it to the envelope. So I'm just centering this on here, just like that. How cute is that? All right, so inside we've got our cute little place for a gift card. Close it up, we've got our ribbon. So let's make a little saying for the front. I'm using So Lucky to Know You. Again, these are going out to my customers who have ordered this past week. So I'm using Memento Black because I am going to color in with some Stampin' Blends a few little spots on here. And I've got my double oval punch that goes with the stamp set. It's all bundled together when you purchase it, which is really nice, right? Because then you get 10% off. Okay, so I've got Dark Just Jade, Stampin' Blend, and Light Misty Moonlight. So let's color in this flower. There's a couple leaves here. It's kind of a whimsical, a little flower, so not that I see too many blue flowers, huh? But it coordinates with everything, and sometimes that's more important than having it exactly correct on what you find in nature. I'm sure there's some type of blue flowers out there. Just a little bit on these little dots. So cute. All righty. So I'm just gonna put this down flat right here. So I'll just use a little of my Stampin' Seal, and I use the plus just because my air's kind of dry here in Phoenix, and I like to know what's going to stick on there. All right, and then do you remember on these dies we had these 2 little small dies, these little butterflies? So I cut those out with the Misty Moonlight and Jade cardstock, and that's what we've got. We'll decorate the front, and we'll add one of those cute matte black dots to it, and we'll be set. And I think I'll use a black little mini dimensional to let it pop up a little bit on our card. Make him look like he's flying a little bit. We can kind of bend him up a little. Alrighty, so I like that. Now let's get some of our black dots. I'm gonna put one of the big ones right in the center. There we go. What do you think? Isn't that cute? So again, the gift card holder is the inside because here's the pocket that's going to hold the gift card. And we've got our ribbon to tie. Remember, you can make this, oh gosh, with anything, any paper, any stamp set dies that you like. You probably have plenty of our Stampin' Up! Envelopes, these medium-sized envelopes in the basic white or the very vanilla. They're just so pretty. You could make up a bunch of these for a craft fair even, I think would be a great idea. All right, let's trim these edges. There we go. There you go, you guys. I hope you liked today's video. I'll be back next week with a Paper Pumpkin Alternative Projects video and my regular Friday Facebook Live video showing another suite of products for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Bye-bye, everybody.